Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this new wireless microphone that is sent over by one of the merchants. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to do the unboxing and review and see what it comes with. And then I'll do the installation into my Tesla Model Y. And then I'll test it. And then I'll give you my thought on the microphone itself. So it's really well packaging, right? So this is LvDonic car microphone. So it comes with one microphone, one receiver, a converter, charge, cable, and one manual, right? So let's open it up. So this is the microphone itself. Pretty sure we probably have to charge it first, but this is the microphone. Very small, very nice, very handy. Right? And it has a power button. I think the microphone. It has a volume on and off. The manual. USB type C, type A to C, and then we got the receiver itself, right? This one also comes with the A and C as well too, well thought out. And let's see anything else underneath the box. That's about it, right? So now let's go into the Tesla and install it.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, testing. Can you guys hear me? So this is the mic, and I'm using it in the Tesla right now. So the connection is pretty easy, and according to the instruction, it's going to replace the hard drive or the flash drive for your Tesla cam. So basically, you just replace your flash drive, and you input the receiver into it, and then it all automatically connects. And you open the karaoke app, and then it popped up a bunch of songs, right? And then depending on whatever songs you want, due to the copyright, I'm not going to be able to play the song for you guys. But if I lower the volume, you know, then you guys can't hear anything. But this is me using the mic itself. So it's pretty easy. It's first I tried to plug it into the two USB over here. However, I think it's for some reason it doesn't connect, and the instruction says to do it from that port. So that's the one that you guys need to connect it to. But after you're done with that, you click on. Another thing is if you can fine tune the music or the sound effects. So the music, if it's not too loud, you can turn it on and off. This is more like a volume. It goes for the mic as well as the music itself. So as you can see, I lowered it all the way down and you can barely hear anything. And as I turn it up, and you can hear the echo. You can't really change much on like the highs and lows and stuff like that. But here's the microphone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You can still hear me even though I lowered all the way down. So, and I'll just leave it back at the default setting, and that's the default as well. And the sound effect here, it has original sound, karaoke box, super reverb, studio recording. I don't know if you can hear the difference on this. Hello? Original sound. But yeah, so after you're done with the setting or the tuning how you want it with the music level, and you just hit the X on the button, and then you just click on the karaoke, and if you go back to browse, it gives you all type of music that you want to sing. For example, if you want like the popular one by APT or Die With Smile, they have it all here. So you can just pick whatever you want. And they even have children as well too, so rock, country. I can go into
maybe the 90s. Try the 90s, and it has by Backstreet Boys, I Want It That Way. It has the Lion King, Hakuna Matata, right? And they got like Tupac and Dr. Dre, California Love. So it has quite a bit of collection for you to sing, like Killing Me Softly, right? Really nice. And that's the 90s. You can go back on the browse. You can maybe check out like Children. So let's see what they have. They got Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. They got Baby Shark. I'm pretty sure you have kids, you know, they're very familiar with these kind of songs here. Jingle Bell too. It's a Peppa Pig. Itsy Bitsy Spider, you know. So this is, either way, the setup is easy, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna enjoy it while you're camping or wherever you're at. You know what I mean? It's a good thing for them to have to kill time. And maybe not just them, but maybe just us too, you know what I mean? Sometimes we just need we like to sing, right? I don't know about you, but I'm Asian, and I love to sing, even though I can't sing. But that's the whole point. You know, people don't know how to sing, they love to sing, right? Yeah, but overall, it's small, it's easy. To charge it, it's underneath here. Turn it off here, the volume's here, right? Hello? I think very neat, very good to have. You know, I think this is gonna help you kill a lot of time when you're waiting for something, or when your wife going to the mall and you're sitting in the car with you and the kids, or just, I don't know, maybe you take you out to doctor's office or wherever. It's just when you need to kill time. This is a great addition to your Tesla. And I tried it with the YouTube app, and for some reason it doesn't work. It only worked with the karaoke app, so I guess this is designed for just the karaoke app in your Tesla. But overall, small, nice, neat. I like it. If you guys like, I'll list all the information in the description, so that way if you guys want to make a purchase. I am an affiliate with Amazon, so if you do buy through the link, I do get a little bit of percentage off of it. That's one way for you to say thank you. But other than that, if you guys have any questions regarding about the mic, feel free to leave it in the comment below. But other than that, be safe. Till next time.